Meaning of floppy disk.
Floppy disk.
Floppy disk.
Floppy disk.
Floppy disk. A floppy disk is a type of storage device for computer data. It consists of a thin disk of flexible magnetic storage medium encased in a square or rectangular plastic shell. Floppy disks were commonly used for data storage and transfer during the 1980s and 1990s, but have since been largely replaced by more advanced technologies such as USB flash drives and cloud storage. The term floppy refers to the flexibility of the disk's magnetic coating, which allows it to be easily bent or deformed.